Hey guys, welcome to Graphs Day 5. Today we are going to learn about the coordinate system. We're going to learn several really important terms that you guys need to learn. And we are going to learn how to plot ordered pairs on the coordinate system and then also how to write ordered pairs. So let's get started. Okay, in mathematics, a coordinate system is used to locate points. The coordinate system is formed by the intersection of two number lines that meet at right angles at their 0 points. Now, why would we want to use this? Well, it helps us to show relationships between data. And we're going to learn about that more in another lesson. For today, what we're doing is just really learning the terms and kind of how to get around the coordinate system. So let's take a look at some things that we need to know. The vertical number line is called the y-axis. That's just what I'm looking at right here. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis. The way that I remember which line is y and which line is x is by thinking that x goes across. Sometimes x looks like kind of a cross, right? So I remember that x goes across the coordinate system. Okay, the origin is at 0, 0. So right here. The point at which the number lines intersect. And you're going to learn what that 0, 0 means in just a second. The coordinate system is also called the coordinate plane. So if you hear me say the coordinate plane, I mean this thing right here. Okay? Any ordered pairs of numbers is used to locate any point on a coordinate plane. The first number is called the x-coordinate, and the second number is called the y-coordinate. So it's important that you remember that whenever we look at pairs like this, the first number is always going to give you the x-coordinate, and the second number is always going to give you the y-coordinate. They are always written in that order. They never deviate. You never ever put the y-coordinate first. X always comes first. This coordinate corresponds to the number on the x-axis. The y-coordinate corresponds to a number on the y-axis. Okay, let's look at an example. Let's look at the ordered pair 4, 1. So we're going to start at the origin, which is right here, remember. Since the x-coordinate is 4, so we look at the first number to tell us our x-coordinate, we're going to move 4 units to the right. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since the y-coordinate is a 1, we're going to move up 1 unit. We move up 1 unit, and that is where we draw our dot. Okay, let's take a look at 3, 0. Since the x-coordinate is 3, we're going to move over 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Since the y-coordinate is 0, we don't move up the y-axis at all, and we put our dot right there. And those are the coordinates 3, 0. Okay. Now let's write the ordered pair that names each point. So let's look at M right here. We're going to start at the origin, and we are going to move right on the x-axis to find the coordinate of point M, which is 2. So here's my origin right here. We're going to move over 1, 2. Then we're going to move up the y-axis to find the y-coordinate, which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we would write that just like this, in parentheses, 2, 5. Okay, so when we have a set of ordered pairs, such as the one you see in front of you, right here, that is called a relation. A relation can also be shown in a table or a graph. So right here, I have the same set of numbers. You can see that I have an x-coordinate of 1 paired with a y-coordinate of 2. That corresponds to this right here. And then an x-coordinate of 2, a y-coordinate of 4. That corresponds with this right here, and so forth. So we can show a relation in a table or a graph. Now, a couple more terms for you. The domain of the relation is the set of x-coordinates. Okay, so this right here is my domain. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same as looking up here at my ordered pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. The range is the set of y coordinates. So right here is my range. My range in this relation is 2, 4, 0, 5. It's the same as these numbers up here in my ordered pairs. Okay, so domain refers to x coordinates, range refers to y coordinates. You need to memorize that. I don't have an easy way for you to memorize that, but if you come up with one, I would love for you to share that with me. Okay, that's the end of this short little lesson. Your homework is the last part of that packet that you have, worksheet 1-6, page 37 to 38. You can refer back to your notes to complete that. Have a nice evening.